Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you my 3 biggest mistakes when I sell on eBay and how I fix them. Mistake number 1 is selling overpriced products. From year to year, eBay becomes more and more of a buyer platform. The selling price becomes a bigger ranking factor. With that said, listing products for a much higher price decreases the chance to sell. So, even if you find a product with amazing demand and low competition, but you can't have a decent price, it is better just to let it go and look for another product. It is important to mention that it is fine to have a higher price than your competitor, but the gap should not be too big. Mistake number 2 is copying other sellers' listings. Copying and pasting your competitors' listings is wrong and will cause your listings to have a lower rank. You have to put some effort into it in order to look unique. Tweak your title, change the main photo, re-edit the item specifics, and make sure to use unique description templates. If you follow these steps, you'll increase the ranking of your listings. Also, use ZIK's Title Builder tool to improve your titles. The link to ZIK is in the description. Mistake number 3 is posting one item per week in hopes of getting sales. You should list items weekly. Grow your listings on your store. The more listings you have, the more sales you'll generate. But of course, do not compromise on quality. What are your biggest selling mistakes on eBay? Let me know by commenting down below.